So, Samsung's mobile launch strategy doesn't seem like it's about to shake things up anytime soon. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy S24 Fan Edition launch events now in the rearview mirror, all eyes are turning toward the next big player, the Galaxy S25 flagship series. And let me tell you, it feels like we're on the brink of something huge. It's official. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in Samsung and Android dominance. Seriously, you're not seeing things. This isn't footage from a PlayStation console. Nope. This is Snapdragon's GPU performance strutting its stuff with the latest Unreal Engine, and it's mind-blowing. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, and wow, Qualcomm has really outdone themselves this time. Let's break it down. The Snapdragon 8 Elite is reportedly 44% faster in CPU performance, 40% faster for the GPU, and a whopping 45% faster in NPU capabilities. Plus, it's about 40% more power efficient. Built on Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores, this chip delivers performance that rivals what you find in high-end PCs. That's why they've switched things up from the Gen series to calling it a Lite. And guess what? This means the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to crush its competition, especially the iPhone 16 Pro Max. There's even a video floating around of a Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered phone running Assassin's Creed at console-level quality. Can you believe that? It's like having a gaming beast right in your pocket. But wait, there's more. The Snapdragon 8 Elite also brings some insane upgrades in AI. We're talking about next-level stuff here. The Galaxy Eye 2.0 can now directly access your camera. Imagine pointing your phone at a receipt and having the AI instantly give you all the info you need. It's lightning fast and absolutely amazing. The AI ASP camera unit is 35% faster than before, capable of handling up to 320 megapixel sensors. With this powerhouse, we can expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra to deliver the best camera performance ever, especially with Samsung's incredible 200 megapixel sensor. To really unleash the Snapdragon 8 Elite's full potential, Samsung is hard at work on One UI 7.0 for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to some insiders, this update will make the S25 Ultra smoother and more performant than any previous Galaxy model. I'm seriously hyped to see the magic that happens when One UI 7.1 teams up with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. As we inch closer to the launch, more physical leaks of the S25 Ultra are surfacing, including screen protectors that hint at some design changes. Those edges are looking nice and rounded. So, what do you think about all this? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Alright, folks, let's dive into the full specs, design details, and expected pricing of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series to help you figure out which one might be your next smartphone. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates. We've got a lot to cover. First up, the standard Galaxy S25. The Galaxy S25 is set to rock a 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED display. This screen isn't just pretty to look at, it promises improvements in brightness and color accuracy that will really make your content pop. You'll get a 120Hz refresh rate along with HDR10+ support and a sharp resolution of 1080 by 2340. Plus, it's all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. So, you know, durability is key. For selfies, you've got a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera up front, while the rear features a triple camera setup, including wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The exact sensors are still under wraps, but we can expect some solid photography capabilities. Under the hood, the S25 will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the US, while global models will have the Exynos 2500 or MediaTek chipsets. You can choose between 8-12 gigs of RAM and storage options, ranging from 128 gigs up to 1 terabyte, all using speedy UFS 4 technology. This beauty is equipped with a 4100 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. And yes, it'll come with all the modern connectivity options you need: 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. It's launching with One UI 7 based on Android 15, and is expected to hit shelves starting at around $800 in January 2025. Next up, the Galaxy S25 Plus. Moving on to the Galaxy S25 Plus, this model features a larger 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with the same fantastic brightness and color improvements. You'll also enjoy a 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus and a resolution of 1440 by 3120, all wrapped up in Gorilla Glass Victus 3 for extra protection. Selfie lovers will still get that 12-megapixel punch-hole camera, and the rear camera setup mirrors the S25 with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, though we're still waiting on specifics for the sensors. This one's also powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the US and Exynos 2500 or MediaTek chipsets globally. You'll get 12 gigs of RAM with storage options of 256 or 512 gigs, again using UFS 4 technology. The battery gets a boost to 4900 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging, and all the connectivity goodies like 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. It's launching with One UI 7 on Android 15 and is expected to start around $1,100 in January 2025. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This powerhouse will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with the same stellar improvements in brightness and color accuracy. It also boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and a stunning resolution of 1440 by 3120, all shielded by Gorilla Glass Armor 2. For selfies, we're expecting a 12-megapixel camera, with some exciting rumors hinting at it possibly being the first S-series phone to have an under-panel camera. On the rear, you'll get a quad camera setup that includes wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and a periscope lens. Again, specific sensors are yet to be revealed, but we might get a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This flagship will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all regions, and will come with 12 gigs of RAM, and this time you might also get to see a new 16 gigs variant and storage options of up to a whopping 1 terabyte, all utilizing UFS 4 technology. The battery here is a robust 5000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast charging. As with its siblings, it will support 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband, and it's set to launch with One UI 7 based on Android 15. The starting price? Expect around $1,300 in January 2025. Overall, the Galaxy S25 series looks promising, with some familiar elements from its predecessor, but also exciting enhancements, especially with the Ultra model. The exclusive Snapdragon release means we should see some solid performance improvements across the board. The new design of the S25 Ultra is a refreshing change, especially since previous models had a similar look for a while. Plus, there's a lot of focus on AI, with the collaboration between Samsung and Google, which means we can expect some cool new features at launch. While those of you rocking an S24 might not feel the urge to rush out and upgrade, anyone with an older S model or those considering their first Samsung phone will find these devices very appealing. The launch is still a bit away, but we can expect plenty more leaks as January approaches, and I'll be here to share them as soon as they pop up. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.